I just finished my morning class and just going to give you a 2-minute exercise you can do this morning if you are stuck at your desk, or just even if you're not feeling that motivated, and just show you how easy it is to get moving in 2 minutes. Our bodies love to move, our brains love when we move, and then we start producing all these amazing natural antidepressants. Okay, so let's turn our toes out. Let's bring feet to parallel. So just checking shoulder position to start with. I always like to do this because if you just tell people to go into shoulder position, they invariably just go into some kind of random stance, okay? So we want to be specific about this. We want to create good habits. So rubbing into your low back here, coming down the backs of the thighs, and just knocking into the backs of your knees. And what we want to check here is that your kneecaps are pointing forward like 2 headlamps, okay? And that your kneecaps are over your second toe. And ideally, we want the outside edge of the foot to be straight, okay? So this could be enough. We want this, it's called Hiza Otoshi in karate, so just knee drop, literally. If it's available to you, bring belly to the thigh and sweep off the pinky toe. That's actually the end of your bladder meridian. And then from here, coming on up the inside of the thigh. Again, this nice feeling of good tension, okay? From here, from pubic bone out to hip point and up, and just knock, knock, knock. So this is just a really nice way to set our standing position, and it's really important because then we create a good center line. Tip of the tongue is behind the front teeth. We swallow and turn our palms forward here. Now, the first move in the 18 forms is actually here with the palms down, but I want us to start by doing another move that we do in Kung Fu, actually, called Immortal Lifts the Water. Isn't that a cool name? So we turn palms forward, and the action of doing that spins our shoulders open into external rotation, which gets our core back muscles working and makes it much harder for us to slouch. And as you can see, this would be something very easy to do even if you're sitting on a stool. I'm gently rocking up onto tiptoes here, just to give my feet a lovely massage as well. Inhaling through the nose, pausing as I turn my hands over. Can you notice I'm keeping my elbows down? And exhale, because I want that external rotation. And if it feels uncomfortable for you to come up straight like this, we can come to scaption position, which is a 45-degree position, which is where quite literally our scapulars love to be. And maybe you can even feel your shoulder blades disappearing onto your back. And you could do this just with me now, or you could put on your favorite song, and you could just wake up your body, get it gently moving. It's rather lovely, isn't it?